today, special thanks to this company for sending me their Magcube 30-watt PD mini fast charger. Special thanks to them. Ultra compact design, nothing really on the top or the bottom, just the side, same name, and then a 30-watt power delivering fast charger. Ultra compact design, superior safety with breathing LED indicator. Nice. So let's open this up. All right. Ooh, this looks like a really slim design. Oh wow. That's it for the box. Happy, unhappy, they have contact information. And then a little bit about their charger. So it's funny, this diagram shows 2 cables, which you can only plug in one device. And yeah, here's the actual charger. Very, very nice looking. Love the yellow look in there. Don't see that very often. 30-watt PD mini fast charger. That is pretty cool. I wonder if we can see if we can show you this pulsating light somehow. Hold on. So when you take this and plug it in to power, you can see you get a little green indicator there. And if you were to plug in a device, it would begin charging, and that's where you get the little pulsating. See how it pulses bright and back to low and then back to bright. That is what they're talking about there. So that should do it for this charger. I do love the design of it. I love the little light. I love this little textured feeling right here. And for 30-watt fast charging, this size you cannot beat. Let me compare this is an Apple 30-watt fast charger for my MacBook. So yeah, I mean, which one would you rather have with you? So again, special thanks to this company. I really dig the item. 2 thumbs up. Thanks you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.